Are you looking for the best fitness trackers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best fitness trackers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garmin VivoActive 5. The VivoActive 5 delivers core performance for all kinds of activity tracking without unnecessary complexity and without the high price of a premium fitness tracker. The VivoActive is easy to use from day one, seamlessly connecting to our phones. It's slightly smaller than other leading trackers, but its small size does not detract from its ability to track activities, steps, heart rate, and sleep with impressive accuracy. It's also discreet. We felt like we were wearing a regular watch, not a bulky or overly sporty fitness band. Tracking features are where this device excels. This device tracks most activities with a high degree of accuracy, recording things like pace, heart rate, and reps in real time. As one tester put it, the VivoActive is like a personal trainer and health coach on my wrists. It quietly tracked everything I needed to know without slowing me down, and even provided helpful tips and coaching for ways to improve. Specifications: measured weight 34 g 1.2 ounces. Measured dimensions 4.06 centimeters x 4.57 centimeters 1.6 x 1.8. Measured heart rate accuracy 98.61%. GPS tracking yes. Supported operating systems Apple iOS and Android OS. Number 2. Best on a tight budget for iPhones. At a very affordable price point, the Amazfit Band 7 offers compelling features like great battery life, a comfortable fit, and great access to your data. We recommend it to anyone with an iPhone who is shopping for a fitness tracker on a tight budget. This version of the band has a much larger screen than its predecessors, and is pleasant to use. Viewing your data and trends in the app is also easy. While the Amazfit has easy-to-use dashboards, its screen is difficult to read outside, even under cloudy skies. Its data is simplified and streamlined, and it has great battery life compared to others in its class. One tester commented, "I like that the app gives me useful feedback on my sleep habits without getting lost in hard-to-interpret data." Heart rate tracking follows trends, rather than offering accurate and specific information that interval training may require. Athletes looking to achieve specific goals should look elsewhere. But if you're an iPhone user in search of basic biometric tracking, this inexpensive and compact model will do the trick. Specifications: measured weight 28.3 g 1 ounce. Measured dimensions 2.54 centimeters x 1.52 centimeters 1.0 x 0.6. Measured heart rate accuracy 93.83%. Number 3. Best upgraded model. The Garmin Venu 3 earned high scores across the board with top-of-the-line fitness and lifestyle metric tracking, just enough smartwatch features to keep you connected on the go, all packed into a sleek design. If you're looking for a watch that can do it all without compromising on usability or battery life, this is it. When we pushed ourselves and the Venu to the limit, it kept with us every step and heartbeat of the way. Our heart rate data was beat for beat with a chest strap monitor in real time. The Venu 3 stands out as a sleek hybrid watch that's still stylish enough to wear to the office. It excels at fitness and tracking, with near-perfect heart rate, distance, pace, and elevation data visible in real time. As one tester put it, being able to view real-time heart rate, pace, and elevation data on my wrist is a game changer. Its only downside is less than accurate rep counting, though you can update those after your workout. Sleep and other lifestyle tracking are accurate and informative as well, helping you adopt better habits to improve your health and fitness. Though it is not a full-fledged. Specifications: measured weight 45.4 g 1.6 ounces. Measured dimensions 4.57 centimeters x 4.57 centimeters 1.8 x 1.8. Measured heart rate accuracy 98.61%. Number 4. Best for multi-sport and cardio. The Forerunner 265 tracker is our premier recommendation for athletes, passionate runners and cyclists, and triathletes. It's also particularly great for those who venture beyond cellular coverage and charging capabilities for extended periods. This tracker is capable of providing a plethora of data, analytics, and even predictions and recommendations on all of your training activities in a user-friendly wrist-based device. The Forerunner 265 is our top recommendation for athletes looking to up their performance monitoring capabilities. By far, the standout features of the Forerunner 265 are its advanced metric tracking capabilities. Thanks to a built-in altimeter, accelerometer, barometer, and GPS, you can track just about every stat you need and want across a variety of sports, including multi-sport mode for triathletes. The constant heart rate monitoring and pace are precise enough to dial in your training and race day goals with precision and confidence. We love the hybrid touchscreen and touch button interface, with one tester commenting, "Using the buttons during a run is so much easier than swiping while sweaty, but I like the big touch screen for checking my data throughout the day." Specifications: measured weight 45.4 g 1.6 ounces. Measured dimensions 5.08 cm x 4.83 cm 2.0 x 1.9. Measured heart rate accuracy 96.55%. GPS tracking yes. Number 5. Best for advanced coaching. The screenless hoop is innovative and designed to offer hyper-personalized recommendations. This slender little tracker contains advanced lifestyle and health tracking technology, with some of the most in-depth data analyses available. As it accumulates your daily data, the hoop offers custom alerts, coaching, and recommendations to help you improve your health and performance, along with tons of additional lifestyle insights. The sleep, heart rate, and training readiness tracking on the hoop is exceptional, and personalized notifications feel like having your coach offering friendly advice at all times. One tester described it as, "It provides an outstanding view of my day-to-day habits and long-term performance, plus the training readiness and tailored tips and coaching give me that extra nudge to always keep improving." It's extremely effective at auto-detecting outdoor activities and overall heart rate tracking. The journal feature helps you identify trends in your sleep, readiness, and performance, all guiding you towards a healthier and better lifestyle. Specifications: measured weight 28.3 g 1 ounce. Measured dimensions 2.54 cm x 3.56 cm 1.0 x 1.4. Measured heart rate accuracy 94.44%. GPS tracking no.